Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to get back deleted notes on iPhone. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Firstly, ensure that your iPhone is running at the latest software version to enable these features. Next, open the Notes app, swipe left on the note you want to delete. Then tap the delete icon in the top right corner. The note will move to the recently deleted section. To access this, go to the folders option, then choose recently deleted. Please note that the deleted notes will be kept here for 40 days. If you don't take any action during this time, such as moving the note to a folder, it will be automatically permanently deleted. To restore a note, tap Edit in the top right corner. Select the note, tap the folder icon, and choose Notes to restore it. For the second method, go to the Settings app, tap your Apple ID, and navigate to the iCloud section. Scroll down and ensure that the Notes option is enabled. Enabling this setting ensures that deleted notes are stored in iCloud. Now, delete a note in the Notes app by swiping left and tapping delete. Access your web browser and visit iCloud.com. Make sure you're logged into your iCloud account. Click the grid icon in the top right corner. Select Notes and confirm. In the recently deleted section, locate the deleted note, tap on it, and select Recover to restore the note to your Notes section. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.